Good morning, Dingle's Crypto. So we're going to be talking about the crypto news for December 3rd. And there was a lot that happened yesterday, some regulation as well as some people talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum in very interesting ways. So let's get started. Follow me on Twitter. Very exciting day yesterday. Alex Tosh from PyDAO DM me, hey. I have 20 followers, man. I'm pretty famous here. Come on. Shoot me a follow. I post interesting stuff as well as updates with my channel. So go shoot me a follow. Follow me on TikToks for fun little videos. I'm doing a giveaway now. $100 in any crypto you would like. Just go like and comment on this video, and I'm announcing the winner this Friday at 8 a.m. I'll DM you. Get your token address, whatever token you want, and I'll send you $100 worth of that token. So go like, follow, and comment on that post. So let's get started. Let's look at the price action. 620, let's go. It was just at 615. Oh boy, we're breaking 620. That's the number I was looking at. It was 620 for Ethereum. It looks like we're going to be breaking it, which is very nice to see. That's just beautiful. Let's see what Bitcoin's at real quick. 19.5. Today might be the day, guys. Today might be the day that we break all-time highs, or 20K. We technically already broke all-time high, but 20K is everybody's all-time high in their mind. So that's awesome. Exciting day to be a part of the crypto industry. Let's go. All right, so this actually is very interesting about ETH 2.0 and how exchanges are going to become validators, and a good perspective of what Ethereum is, okay? And Ethereum is its own country, its own world with its own treasury bonds, and that will come through staking. Let's listen in.
The returns from staking are fundamentally linked to the Ethereum economy, right? And this is definitely just very parallel with like a legacy nation state, where like the ability to pay their debts in bonds and pay the interest rates in bonds is a function of the GDP of a nation, right? And so if Ethereum as an economy has high economic activity, that is linked to the value of the staking rewards, especially with the integration of EIP 1559, which makes Ether inherently scarce. The theory being that the price will go up, and therefore when we are issuing more Ether to stakers, that they are receiving a larger compensation for their stake, leading to more people purchasing the bond, right? Like adding ETH.
So let's think of ETH as a bond, a treasury bond for Ethereum. And staking that bond allows you to get rewards or interest in Ethereum. So comment what you believe the GDP will be for Ethereum in the next 5 years. How much will it be the 10th biggest country? Let's think of Ethereum as a country, because it really is. It's starting its own economy. We're going to have wars with actual countries as an Ethereum community. So it's going to be crazy, but I believe in Ethereum and the people surrounding Ethereum. That very smart people. All right, time for some Bitcoin news. Keep in mind, I also like Bitcoin, guys. I know you can't be a person that is a Bitcoin maxi and Ethereum maxi. Psh, yeah, doesn't make any sense, huh?
Related to Bitcoin,
let's pause this. This is Blackrock CEO, or not? I don't know if he's the CEO actually. Yeah, hey, CEO. Wow. Larry Fink. I actually don't know him very well. I know BlackRock is pretty much the U.S. Treasury. I mean, it's pretty crazy. The U.S. is kind of going down, and I think Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to be the savior if properly regulated and utilized by the government. So let's listen into what he has to say about Bitcoin and the traffic and interest around Bitcoin recently on BlackRock's website. Let's listen in.
Important Investors was on one of the television shows the last few days, and he spoke about Bitcoin and two of, one, monetary policy, two, and three, COVID. The hits on BlackRock's on our website was 3,000 on COVID, 3,000 hits on a monetary policy, and 600,000 hits on Bitcoin. So what that tells you is Bitcoin has caught the attention and the imagination of many people. Many people are fascinated about it. Many people are excited about it, but it's still untested. It's still a pretty small market relative to other markets. It can be, we see these big giant movements every day. It's a thin market. And so can it evolve into a global market? Possibly. Certainly by evidence of the imagination of so many who want.
The imagination of so many. Do you have that imagination? Because I do, and it's not very hard to imagine. We need something like Bitcoin to have appreciation to our currency instead of depreciation. It's a beautiful thing. I love it, and hopefully you have some and you hold it into the future, no matter what the price. If the boat goes, I go. I go down with the boat. So you will always know there's one person still hodling, and that's going to be me. But okay, let's go into some regulation news, and this is stablecoins, news on stablecoins from the U.S. government and their proposal regarding CBDCs. I didn't read it all. I should have looked into it more, but Toliver, and this is pretty much actually, let's look into something right now. Toliver, I know she posted about this last night. Crap, I should have looked into her. But basically, she was saying how stable coins have negatively impacted people of color and lower class citizens. It's insane to even say something like that. It doesn't make any sense. She is a congresswoman that put forward this bill. Oh, there's her name. Let's go. Rashida Toliver. She posted this last night. Pretty disgusting because it doesn't make any sense. Damn, she posts a lot. And she acts like she knows what stablecoins are. Holy moly. Okay. I should have found it prior to this video. Sorry, guys. Go check it out. She posted about it. It's her proposal. Very ignorant. She says she does the identitarianism politics, like, oh, stablecoins has affected people of color and lower income families. Makes zero sense. It actually DeFi allows individuals that don't have banks around the world. Anywhere you have internet access, you can access these products. For the most, you need maybe a VPN, but you have the potential to. And this is, very ignorant. Let's go ahead and go what Hayden Adams, the creator of Uniswap, said about this. He basically summarized it with this line right here: bullish for ETH, Bitcoin, and synthetic dollars, though, because this is only hindering innovation through the government lens. So, if there's regulation that hinders innovation in the United States, the innovators will just move somewhere else and innovate. That's the end of the story. Unfortunately, if the United States don't take a leading role in blockchain, they will just be left behind, maybe even behind China. And I am proud American, but I also notice what's going on. I don't think the United States will be a leader on this technology because a lot of division and a lot of conflict. But let's go on to printing money, what the United States is good at. Let's go. USA. All right, cancel rent and mortgage payments. Let's go. I don't want to pay rent. Are you fucking kidding me? I don't want to pay my mortgage payment. No. Why would you want to, right? I'm just playing. Obviously, this is a terrible idea. Even 112,000 likes from a congresswoman in Minnesota. Absolutely idiotic statement. Doesn't make any sense. Let's just cancel all debt. That's what's going to happen. The only way they can pay off the U.S. debt is through inflation. So I've thought about a lot of ways to pay the U.S. debt off, and that's the only way is through inflation. The only way. All right, let's continue. Oh, this is actually her article. You can go ahead and look at it. The article she references, the end result of such an act could end up even worse than struggling America. Okay, so these people care very much about mental health, but they don't know that free money does not help mental health. People need a purpose in life. People need goals, objectives, and struggles and challenges to be happy. Living easy is living sad. You need challenges and obstacles in your life to be happy whatsoever. I mean, wealth is the end goal, but if you focus on wealth, you will be unhappy. So find a goal, objective, and work towards it, and you'll be happy. Hopefully. As happy as you can be, maybe. I mean, everybody's different. That's just me personally. All right, so there's nothing on those channels, but let's just talk about the 9 trillion story. 22% of the US dollar is printed in 2020. I mean, this just goes along with what I just said. The US dollar is going to be worthless, or it's been becoming worthless slowly, and it's just going to exponentially lose value over time because they're just going to print more until they can't print anymore. That's the end of every fiat currency. So here's the Euro US dollar value. Obviously, you see the US dollar actually lose value against the euro right here lately since 2020. So the euro is becoming more valuable than the dollar. All right, that's all I have for you today. This afternoon, I'm going to be uploading a review of AAVE protocol. It's a beautiful protocol. I love it. A lot of opportunities with AAVE. So stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate each and every one of you. Comment any questions you have. I'll answer it to the best of my ability and honestly. So thanks for watching. Peace.